Hi, I'm Doug Wardell and I'm with the Spokane Public Schools Nutrition Services. We're here at the skate ribbon and we're talking about getting out and playing. And Spokane is such a great place to play. And we've got this bingo activity game for students. They fill out all these different things. They can go picking up litter, going for hikes, going for walks as a family, spotting a plane. We just want kids to get out and play. And gosh, there's so many places just down here in Riverfront Park. You can go to Huntington Park and see the falls. You can hike the trails up north, go to Gonzaga University and see all the cool things in that area. We really just want to get kids out and playing. And grown-ups, you need to get out and play too. We also have a list of 15 free things to do here in Spokane. And I really want to encourage you to go see the wonderful hikes and parks that we have, the Little Spokane River and the Painted Rocks, the areas up north at Mount Spokane, the lakes we have in the area. We just need to get out and play. So thanks, take time, play every day, and have a fantastic summer. And while you're getting out and playing this summer, you need to remember that we have an incredible summer meal program that's free to all children 18 and under. We're giving 5-day meal kits, and those meal kits have 5 breakfasts, 5 lunches that are nutritious and have student favorites and kid favorites that they'll enjoy. And you'll be able to go to our website at spokaneschools.org/meals and get all the information on the specific sites for schools and community sites throughout our area where we'll have free summer meals for our students and kids. Get out and play and enjoy our summer meal program.